How's it going, everybody? Noah Chase, your friendly neighborhood realtor, standing in front of 4225 New Hope Springs Drive in Hillsborough, North Carolina, telling you about my latest listing. It's going to be on the market next week, June 17th, and it is on an acre of land. It is 2,840 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It has a great flat backyard. There's an enclosed porch that looks out over the lawn. It's super private. There's nobody, no houses behind you. Super convenient to downtown Hillsborough. You can be in downtown Hillsborough in about 12 minutes. You can be in downtown Chapel Hill in about 20. You can be in Mebane in 20 minutes. You can be in Durham in 20 minutes. It's super convenient to everything. The subdivision of New Hope Springs has low HOA fees, only $175 a year. Everyone's really friendly. Everything is on over an acre, so there's a little bit of privacy. Stay tuned. I should have some preview pictures up soon. The house is going to go on the market at $465,000. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks. See you around.